Hello everyone, welcome back to Bad Boats. I'm Ron and we got some good videos for you today. But before we start, I'd like to see if everybody would just go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification so we can go ahead and get the channel to grow some more. So let's get right to it. The first video, these people are cruising along, look, they're doing some tubing, and look what happens. You know, this pontoon boat just cuts right through it and cuts the line for the tube. I would be pissed. If that was my kids or my family on that tube, I would be pissed. Let's get to the next one. Now this looks like it may be Dubai, I don't know, but there is a hell of a lot of jet skiers in this little area, in this little canal. And watch this one guy right here. He just loses it. But if you know where this is at, go ahead and leave comments below. Anyway, on this next one, man, I've seen this before where people will be backing their boats down a boat ramp and have someone lift up on the trailer, you know, trying to do that boat ramp workout. But anyway, won't they just come in during the week and practice, practice backing in and out of the boat ramp when no one's around? Now the next one, this pontoon boat, how come it's always a pontoon boat? Anyway, this pontoon boat, it looks like they got a little whiskey throttle, and when they were going out, they hit the bow of a pretty nice sport fisherman and ripped the top off. You know, I hope it's not a rental boat because I got to pay for it. Man, now watch these people. These people, this is funny. Storm. Looks like they're at a wildlife ramp.
Big wildin' out here, boys.
How much these people, they get up under the front of the boat in the rain, get out of the rain. People just amaze me. The things that you see at the boat ramp.
Man getting out of the handicap parking lot, he's like, hell this, I ain't witnessing nothing.
Look at there. You can see the two guys up under the front of the boat trying to keep dry. You're in the water. What do you expect? You're in the water. It's raining, you're in the water, you're going to get wet. Even if it was lightning, it wouldn't do no good. You'd still get fried because you're holding on to the front of the boat, to the motor. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe so the channel can grow, and make sure you hit that notification button too.